Who do you think you are?
Who am I, you ask? Listen carefully, because this time, I am not letting you get the best of me. I am an extension of ever-expanding universe, a manifesto of the most artistic creation. I am a powerful, deliberate creator of my life, on a mission to an extraordinary liberation. I am a prepared traveler on a journey to surrender, to live in a state of exhilaration. I am a seeker for joy, a sucker for clarity, a wanderer for new mistakes. I am love, I am laughter, I am clarity. And I intend to fail, I intend to get up, and I intend to align all over again. I will hustle, I will wonder, and then I will let go, and then I will surrender. I intend to embrace and love myself fully. I intend to let everyone else off the hook. I am a conqueror of my own critic, that's who I am. So hush, you got the wrong spirit to mess with. Because I'm not a victim, I intend to be a victor.